And we're live. What is up, guys? Good to see you. Today, there's a lot of alpha that we're going to discuss, as always. A lot of exciting news. How's Bitcoin going? Oh, Bitcoin is pumping back up. I was having dinner. When before dinner, it was 64K. Now we are 67. So it might be a good day to long Bitcoin with some leverage. Interesting stuff to see here. So, as a result, a lot of plays are pumping right now because obviously the first movers when it comes to Bitcoin are going to fall a lot. You know what the first movers are? Do you know what they are? They are meme coins. However, they're still down on the daily basis. So, obviously, if I'm looking over the course of the week, everything is up. There's a lot of good, hot stuff. So we're going to obviously talk about the hottest new memes. We're going to talk about some wins of my group. We're going to talk about some things that are still in progress. And obviously, I'm going to try my best to help you make money. Because this is what this live streams are about, right? All right. So, first of all, where do we start? Because I have a lot of stuff to talk about. There's another 10x that I'm going to add to the list. It was called yesterday. A lot of people have faded it. Sorry if you did. This was not posted on any public channel because obviously, I don't post every single thing on public channels. This was exclusive to my VIP group. We did a 10x on Dorito, which is actually a very good play that I sold everything, full disclosure. Then I bought again because I want to keep a small bag of this because it's actually a legit project. So it's not only a meme coin. Obviously, it's got a lot of culture stuff, but they have utility and they have this kind of country club thing. So if you have 0.1% of the supply, you become a member. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff. They got the merch. They got an exclusive club for the holders. This is legit shit. And I really love the marketing that they're doing. It's super. It's like this kind of old money vintage aesthetic with the hot chicks. And yeah, I just dig it. So I'm probably going to make a video covering this because, yeah, it's pretty fucking sick, man. I'm going to try to get 0.01% of the supply. How much money is that? 3. Is that a lot of money? Probably not. Anyway, I'm going to try to make it. So this project, I called it. I think we were at 800K. I think I called it here. 800K in a matter of like a few minutes. We're 8 million. So that was a clean 10x. So congrats if you got in. That was sick. 10x. Great. So very solid project. They also got a swap file. They got a lot of stuff. They got a lot of stuff going on. There's going to be a video coming out of this because I really like the project. Now, the second one they're going to talk about today before jumping into the live chat is Scoot. Scoot, which is a project that has got so much potential. So I'm going to tell you the only thing that is really holding this project back. By the way, let's make things clear, okay? I called this when it was like at the beginning, right? It was 100K. And I also participated at a private sale, full disclosure. I got in at the same price that it launched, so it was 100K. Obviously, this project is 100K, so I could tell you, okay, I made a 15x for my group. Obviously, it's not really possible because imagine putting a project to 100K in the market and there's very little liquidity and everybody's just PvPing against each other. So yes, he did a 15x technically on the launch, but who did a 15x? Probably no one. I was able to make, I think, a few X's even on my swing trade. But anyway, the moral of the story, I have, I think, 10 million tokens right now. I have 10 million tokens that I bought in the private sale. I'm not selling a single token. I haven't sold a single token. I've shown even my wallet earlier. I'm not selling because I know the potential of this. And obviously, I wouldn't even want to wreck the chart. Some stupid KOL dumped the chart. This is why the chart went like this, because some stupid KOL dumped around here. There was one dump even here. But listen, the important thing is that the JITs are out and this project is now primed to skyrocket, to go to new highs. So I'm super bullish on Scoot. The potential of this is freaking great. So first of all, the meta. Okay, Alex Packer's dog. Everybody knows Alex Packer. Everybody knows Alex Packer's dog. This has a lot of potential. He even tweeted a few months ago, Dogecoin, blah, blah, blah. We need a new meme coin. If I make Scoot coin, zero profit to myself, would you buy? So listen, there's also potential involving Alex Packer into this. Now, I'm not going to say, oh, they're going to... I don't even know. But listen, is that out of consideration? At the end of the day, we haven't really seen, if there's been Scoot coins launches in the past, they probably went to shit. This one is legit. The chart looks healthy. If you look on, you know, even if I put on the 50-minute chart, it looks healthy. It looks like a very healthy chart. I mean, look at that. It looks like it's forming a good triangle right here. So it could be primed to skyrocket, especially now that the JITs are definitely out. And yeah, the floor was held. That was the main important thing, that the majority of projects die within 48 hours. This was not the case, okay? The chart looks primed to skyrocket. The JITs are out. I remain super bullish. I think that there's a lot of potential for this one, and this is why I'm holding. The community is active. I don't remember how many people they gather into the Telegram, but I think it's a pretty large number. Almost 2,000 followers on X. They keep posting today. There's a bunch of big KOLs posting that, I mean, this guy, for instance, 71K followers. Like, there's a lot of big guys in the sphere. So this is why I also remain on this. And yeah, this full disclosure, this is my wallet. I haven't sold a single token, I swear to God. This is one. 10 million tokens. All right? I know the potential of this. I ideally would like to carry it until the 6 figures. So yeah, we're going to see that. We're going to see about that. All right. So Scoot, I'm bullish. If you have any questions on Scoot, let me know. Where do you buy this? I mean, it's a token on Solana. You can buy it on BullX. I do recommend buying on BullX. I think that if you're trading meme coins on Solana and you're not using BullX, I have no idea what you're doing with your life, because it changed the game forever. And this is also how you can get early. Especially if you're in my private community, you get early CAs like we did with Dorito. We started printing money. If you didn't have BullX, you probably wouldn't have been able to print money in Dorito. So this is why I do encourage you to get BullX. I mean, it's here. You get instant access, and you skip all the crazy waiting list that they have, and you also get 10% off trading fees forever. So it's a no-brainer. It's pinned in my X profile, so check that out. Okay, now let's go back to the live stream list. So obviously I'm proud to add Dorito. I could put 15x on Scoot, but I'm not going to say that because nobody was able to do a clean 15x. But I'm sure that Scoot is going to enter this list sooner than later, now that it's actually primed to pump. Okay, now let's go to the live chat, and then we're going to resume the live stream. What is up? What is up, guys? We have media, Scoot, LFG, man. Dorito, absolutely money printed yesterday. LFG, man. Thanks for the call, Cipro. Now go on to Scoot. Now is the time for Scoot to shine. Dorito, we already printed. Scoot, we need to print hard. Okay, print hard. Scoot. Good comment. I like you. Toggle delay. What's up? I'm doing great, bro. How are you, my friend? Very busy day here. Very busy day, very busy week for me. Got a lot of stuff going on, and a lot of also cool announcements that I'm going to post later on this week. So it's going to be a very, very exciting time. That's for sure, especially also with the market being this bullish. Selfie, good to see you, bro. What's the hottest you meme? The hottest you meme was Dorito, but you're not in my prayer group, so you missed it. So sorry about that. But the second close is Scoot, which is still yet to pump astronomically, so you still might be in time. Why you didn't buy Wolf? Cipro! Why you didn't buy Wolf 0x67? Holy shit, the world falls apart. Bro, I have 1,000 of meme coins. I can't have 30 meme coins in my portfolio. I think it's a good project, but I'm not going to buy every single project on Earth. Don't you think it will follow? Come on, bro. There's 20 characters of the Boys Club. Turbo to 2 billion in market cap. I think it could happen. Listen, I'm not sure if you saw the video that I posted earlier about my opinion on Turbo right now. I'm also going to make a video on the price prediction of Turbo. I made one before, but it's kind of like overrated. Overrated. Oh, fucking, I can't even speak. It's pretty not out to date right now. But what I can tell you is that if Bitcoin goes to a new all-time high very, very soon, I do think that Turbo is going to surpass the 1 billion in market cap. 2 billion, however, it's quite hard, okay? Because also Turbo, you need to consider this. Listen, you also need to consider this factor that right now, if you see these memes, yes, they kind of been overperforming perhaps in the last week. However, if you see Turbo is the best performer in the field of meme coins right now. 10% from yesterday, 80% in the last week. So if you see all of these meme coins, is Turbo the top gainer? Let's see. No, sorry, Skibidi Toilet. Skibidi Toilet has performed better than Turbo. I am sorry. And Klaus, I don't know what this Memecoin is. 28 million, should I look into it? I have no idea what that is. But anyway, Turbo has been in the top 3 performing meme coins as of recent, which is a very bullish accomplishment. As a result, I think that a lot of other memes have to catch up on Turbo. And I think that the catalyst event of Turbo would be the Coinbase listing. I don't know if it's coming. Some people are speculating that it's coming. I think it's BS. I would call BS until I have like an official announcement. I think it's just BS and speculation. I do think that eventually it's going to get listed there, and that is really going to be the moment in which Turbo is going to skyrocket. But I also think that Binance is going to be more aggressive when exchange listings when it comes to Memecoin. I mean, look at how they listed the Nairo CTO. Like, it got listed out of, you know, from nothing, you know. So obviously it's going to be way faster, in my opinion, the Binance listing. The Coinbase listings, in my opinion, are going to come later on into the proper full swing altcoin season. But think about it. If Turbo gets listed before something like Brett or Pepe, it's a big deal. But I'm not sure if that's going to happen. Perhaps it's still more plausible that Brett is going to be listed on Turbo. But anyway, if you're not holding, listen, if you're not holding Brett, if you're not holding Turbo, and if you're not holding Ponke, okay, let's make it the dream team top 3. Right now for me, Brett, Ponke, and Turbo. If you're not holding any of these 3s, you're missing out big time. I think that the next one to pull what Turbo is doing right now is going to be Ponke, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. So first of all, the timeline of Turbo, I've said this in my video, check it out after the live stream if you haven't already. The timeline of Turbo was Crypto.com, Kraken, Binance. And then Coinbase is still yet to be achieved in the roadmap. Ponke did Crypto.com. Ponke is just getting listed on Kraken now, okay? I am not sure if they are listed already or if they've just opened deposits, also because the trading volume is extremely low. So I'm not sure about that. I'm not up to speed. Let's see. Okay, so it's available 2 hours ago. Okay, so Ponke just got listed on Kraken. This is confirmed. Trading is available. It's a big deal because I considered Kraken one of the top 3 exchanges worldwide when it comes to normie spot trading. So Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Kraken is the first step. The next one is Binance, and the next one is Coinbase. Okay? So bullish things. Very good to see. I said it. It wasn't the listing roadmap of Kraken. If people were fading that, after I said, look at the listing roadmap of Kraken. Ponke is there. Why are you fading it? It's a big freaking deal. And also Revolut. Ponke is listed on Revolut if you're not aware of that, which is like how come was that possible? There's 8 Memecoin projects listed there, and it's mostly normie projects like Doge and Shiba. So it's such a big deal. So Ponke is going to be the Memecoin that follows as a result. And also considering that it's really not priced in yet. Yeah, it's up 40% in the last week, but it's still got so much room for growth that I don't think that these things are priced in yet. So this is why I'm so bullish. Anyway, let's go on. Scoot. LFP, Scoot. Where do you guys think Scoot is going to be? I think the Scoot is just going to fly. Like, look at the chart. It looks so bullish. Scoot wants to send. Vondi. I'm very well, my friend. How are you? 2,000 followers is a big community for Scoot. I mean, the project is 1 day old. 2,000 members for a project that is 1 day old. I don't think it's bad at all. I think it's pretty good, indeed. You gain something about talking about the coin. If you think about if Scoot is paying me, no, they're not paying me. But I said, full disclosure, I did participate into the private sale and I bought 1% of the supply, which is still hold, and I haven't sold a single token. You can hold me accountable for that. I have 10 million tokens and I haven't sold a single one. So that is all that I gained, that I got early access to the project, that's all. I keep it real. I have no reason to lie to people. I don't think there's anything unethical about participating in a private sale. Unless I use them to dump on my community, which I'm obviously not doing. Did you talk about Andy on base? Sorry, just joined. Ramo, it's good to see you. I haven't talked about Andy on base. I'm not particularly bullish, to be honest. Bro, there's no delay on the comments that I'm reading, my friend. It's just that there's a lot of comments in here. So obviously I can't just go and like bam, 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 all right? Okay, so let's take a look at Andy on base. It's not something that I would buy, to be honest. If I'm buying Andy, I would probably buy it on... listen, there's two ways of buying Andy, in my opinion. There is Blast if you want to have the gamble of the yellow chain, or the one on Ethereum is probably the classic. Let's see. So on Ethereum is 160 million. The one on base is 11 million. So obviously still like a very big gamble. I don't know. 11 million. What's the volume like? The volume is 58K, bro. The volume is 58K. So I don't think it makes much sense. There's no volume. If you're sticking to base projects, you need to stick to the main ones, okay? I don't think that this has potential. It's already too big on other chains. Just doesn't make sense. I could, by all means, but... Was the Dorito trade shared on Telegram? No, was not shared. It was shared on the private Discord. I have proof to send you if you want. It was shared on the Discord. Obviously, on Telegram, I share some trades. And also, if I share a trade on the Discord, I'm gonna... sorry, fucking hell. I can't even speak. It's been a long day, guys. So it was shared on the VIP group on Discord, okay? What I share on Telegram is some of the trades. I'm not gonna put every single trade on Telegram. And if I put a trade on Telegram, I'm gonna put it after the Discord people are in. So I hope that makes sense. Okay, now, I had some interesting questions to answer here. So, talking about base, because people are telling me about base projects right now, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what base project I'm gonna buy. Give me 1 second. Oh, and also, let's remind people that actually, if you want to get the Dorito thing, you just got into a private group. So I'm going to post the link here, and I'm going to put it in the live chat. That being said, I am now going to show you one of the most bullish base trade that I have right now, which is Brat. Do you remember Brat? When I was talking about this project in July, I think it was, nobody gave a fuck about this project. Nobody was interested. Look what happened to Look what happened to the chart. Look what I bought. I bought even before. I bought all the way through here. This was my buying range for Brat. Look what happened in the last 24 hours or 48 hours. We went from 186K market cap up to touching 820K in market cap. So you can make the calculation. Let's make the calculation. I can't be bothered. My brain is fried. 820 or the 180 is a 4.5x. Okay, that's a 4.5x in the last 48 hours for Brat. Brat is Brett's son. It's a CTO. I know the team, and the team is based as fuck. Like, great team that is also cooking a lot in the background. I don't want to talk too much about it, but there's a whole animation series behind it. There's a whole character development arc that is going to make this one of the top projects. So obviously, Brat was a baby originally. Now they turned Brat into a teenager. They got all of the freaking new art. They are developing an animated series. There's also a lot of collaborations with other projects into the Boys Club. There's a collaboration with Fofar. There's, I don't know how much I can say because I also have information that I can't really say. But let's see what I can say. Groggo has joined Fofar along with Brat in the meme arcade. So there's going to be a video game. There's going to be a real utility that is going to be brought to this project and to the entire universe of this CTO of projects of the... I want to call them Matt Fury's side quests, okay? Matt Fury's side quests. I would say, I would call that anything that is not Pepe, Andy, Landwolf, and... Pepe, Landwolf, Andy, and Brett. Oh my god, I'm tripping, bro. Anyway, there's a game. There's an animated series. The freaking father. Holy shit. Brat is right there. Holy. If you're missing on all of these plays, I'm telling you, you're gonna have missed out. Also, I think I can reveal it now. Also, the other play that I've been diving into. Fuck it, let's reveal it, okay? Let's reveal it to you all. This is a pick that I've brought to my VIP group at 750K, and it's Groggo. Well, since I've just talked about it, I should probably reveal it publicly to the YouTube. Groggo is another project that I've called in my group at 750K market cap. We ended up doing almost a 4x. No, I think we did a 4x pretty much. More or less. So we started buying here, around this level, okay? We're right here, 4x. You know what? I took out my initial. I'm not gonna lie. I took out my initial at 4x. The rest of the bag stays in because I know what the project is building. This goes to the tens of millions in market cap. Holy shit. What gems I'm freaking finding these days. Who's finding these projects? I am. Freaking bullish. Did you fade this as well? I hope you didn't. Anyway, I'm probably going to make a video about this as well. 2 million right now. Very strong floor. Very strong support line along these areas. Ready for another leg up. And we're still doing this while Bitcoin is not at an all-time high. So as soon as Bitcoin goes to an all-time high, like imagine what we're going to be able to do with these projects. I am so bullish, guys. I'm so bullish on the Memecoin market. I'm so bullish on crypto right now. All in. All in. Oh my God. What the fuck is up? Are we back or not? We are back, my brother. We are back, my brother. We are freaking printing, bro. Swish, swish, swish. We also need to talk about Swish. Another project that I'm not selling a single token because I know the potential of this. Tomorrow, there's going to be big news for this project tomorrow as well. The only real thing holding this project back, the chart being bug. This is a bug. Obviously, the project didn't go to a 8 trillion in market cap. Okay? So you need to zoom in to actually see the real chart. That is the only problem that this project has. Okay? That is just the only thing. So, what I can tell you, analyze the team, analyze the content of this project. There is endless collaborations. Endless collaboration that you can make in the sphere. Real world athletes, other meme coins. There are so many things in the work. Guys, don't fade this. Honestly, I can't give you financial advice in these live streams. I can't tell you buy or not. Do whatever you want. I'm just a messenger at the end of the day. But I'm telling you that I'm heavily into this and I'm not selling a single token because I know the potential of this. There's going to be an announcement tomorrow. The Swish team is going to join a very popular live stream. And there's going to be exclusive stuff that is going to be shared there. So make sure to keep an eye on the Telegram. Join the Telegram. Investigate the community. See what's up. See what the hell is up in the Telegram. Help the raise. Work for your bags. And let's freaking pump this project to the moon. I love this comment, so I'm going to pick it up. When there is a delay for Cypher to get to your message, that means there's a lot of comments and the Buran is back. LFG. Jimika, oh my God. Me and my team have actually tried to trade that, but there was so many, so I didn't even send a buy alert for that because I was like, there's too many rugs and all of these are probably going to zero. So I hope you made some money out of that, but yeah, there was so many. I don't even know what the meme is. I don't know. What the hell was with that? But I've followed the situation, yeah. Nice to catch you on live stream, Raj. It's good to see you, man. Any updates on Sonic nodes? Thanks. Smash the like. Smash the like button, as Raj is telling you. If you want to support this live stream, if you want to support all the alpha that I'm bringing you every single day in the form of videos, live stream, post on X, Telegram announcement, or referral links even to help you print money in the sphere, drop a like. It really pushes me and helps me tremendously. And I'm very grateful for you. So when it comes to Sonic, I'm not sure what update you're looking to get. The nodes are obviously purchasable and the nodes are still flying off the shelf. Sonic is still one of the biggest layer 2s built on Solana. That is going to be, in my opinion, huge. Partnered with OKX. But I can say that the TGE is not confirmed yet. It should be towards the end of this month, or worst case scenario is probably going to be in November. A lot of projects are actually launching towards the second half of this month and November. I'm sure that Sonic is going to launch there, but as soon as I have the release date, I'm obviously going to post it into the Discord. And then the dashboard is also going to be available. So yeah, very bullish on this project. Very, very bullish. What the fuck is those tickers? What tickers, bro? What tickers? What do you want to know? Pelford. I don't know what this is. Pelford? I have no idea what that is, bro. Thoughts on Myron Solana? It's kind of old news, but it's probably going to pump because I think it's in the Kraken roadmap. So just go on kraken.com/listings and you can see all the projects that are going to be listing on Kraken. And if something gets listed on Kraken, as I was saying, there is a very strong chance that it's going to get listed on Binance and Coinbase right after. So this is why I'm so bullish on Kaspa recently, despite the FUD and the people that are trying to FUD Kaspa. Because Kaspa is right here, so that is a very good sign for the industry. We have Myro here, so Myro is also going to get listed. So I think that Myro is going to pump and is going to give you some good returns in the future. I think that there's more interesting projects on the market. Myro is just another dog on Solana. So it was one thing when it was launched because it was a relatively new thing to do dogs on Solana. You know, it was right after Bonk or at the same time that Bonk launched. Right now, I don't think it's just anywhere near as interesting, but it's still going to pump. Ponke is here. They're probably going to remove it now because it's listed. There's Apple. Apple is another play that I would recommend. I'm not in it. I haven't traded it. Pump too much for my taste, but it's probably going to do well. Giga is also that. It's also there. So, yeah, study the memes that are there because they're going to be successful overall. I don't know what language is this, bro. English, Italian, Spanish are the languages that I speak. I don't speak that. Sorry. When do you think Oki Labs could reach in billions? I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know this project. I was typing OD for all the car guys. Oki Labs. You said billions? Bro, it's 15 million. So if it goes to billions, what? You're expecting this to be like crazy 100x? It's on Maxi. It launched quite recently, around a month ago. Virtual real estate for share augmented reality. Oh my God. We don't need this stuff. BS. Sorry, bro. I'm sorry to put you down, man, but I'm not interested in those kind of projects. Metaverse, real estate on the... No, nobody cares. Sorry, man. Please buy $1 of my project, Silly Snake on Solana. Okay. I usually wouldn't do that. I wouldn't look into projects like this because I don't want people to shield their bags. But I know that you've been a very long devoted follower on my channel. So I'm going to take a look for you and I'm going to perhaps shield your bag a little bit. Let's see. Only if I like it. Okay, I'm still going to be very honest. I don't see it. Is this on Pump Fun? It's probably on Pump Fun, bro, because I don't see it. Why can't I go on Pump Fun? Fuck. Do I need a VPN to go on Pump Fun from Dubai? It's not working. Anyway, I can't see it, bro. I assume it's still on Pump Fun. I don't know. Anyway, guys, check it out. It's on the screen right now. Check it out. Maybe it's good. Bro, I'm not joking. I think I need to activate the VPN, but if I activate the VPN now, I think that I crashed the stream. It's not on Pump Fun. I don't see it. I swear. Let me do it one last try. Let me do one last try. Okay, so it's not showing. 3ZCO. Bro, I swear to God, it's not appearing. Okay, we'll come back later. Maybe we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna check it out after the live stream though. What do you think of Blub? Blub is good. I made a video, was it yesterday that I released a video on the top projects in terms of meme coins on the Swiss ecosystem? Blub is there. Blub is gonna be, it could be added to at least 1 billion. Yeah, very good project. Very good. Bullish on DAG, but why is it listed on 3 exchanges so far? That is I don't want to say it's a good question because obviously I think that you're missing a big point. I'm not sure if you're new to crypto or meme coins or whatever. But the thing that you need to understand, bro, is that it's useless for... Look when DAG launched. DAG launched at around the end of May. Okay? The market has been absolute trash from May to October. As a result, it's useless for DAG the DAG to launch in a market that is with decreasing volume, without retail investors, and the degens are going to trade on decentralized exchanges. There is no point in listing around there. So this is why the DAG the DAG team decided to wait for exchange listings. But I know that there's stocks right now with centralized exchanges. I cannot say anything, but I know that they're looking into that. And now that the market is picking up, they're going to list on some centralized exchanges. Okay, I can't reveal anything. I might know something, I might not know something, but I can tell you they're going to list on something. Or maybe no, maybe I can't tell you. Just check out the updates, bro. Check out on the Telegram. Who says that they're not going to list on exchanges? DAG the DAG. Also, coming back to my previous live stream, when people were asking me, bro, is this a good time to buy DAG the DAG? No, it was not. It was not. $2.6 million. That is not the moment to buy DAG the DAG. However, especially because it pumped from 1.1. 1.1, okay, 1.1, 2.6. 2.6, 1.1. No. That was a trick. Did you fall for it? Would you buy here? Yes. Good job. Would you buy here? No. Would you buy here? Would you buy in this zone? Yes. Of course I would buy here. It dropped what? 30%? That is a correction. It's needed. Because obviously projects cannot go like this. Listen to me. Projects don't go like this. Okay? Projects go like this, maybe. Okay? Higher highs, higher lows. This is why, if you do something smart, you buy when we have big corrections. This was a big-ass red candle. That is the moment, especially if you realize that we are in a support area and it's holding the support line. That is the moment in which you accumulate. If you miss this entry, or if you did a swing trade, let's say that you did a swing trade. Let's say that you bought here, and then you sold here again, then fair enough. Like, you buy your position back in right here, okay? Or anyway, if you're not happy with your bag, if you're, whatever, you buy here, there, okay? It's not that hard, man. Bullish on DAG the DAG. Imagine if Becker posts about Scoot. I hope that it's going to be possible. I mean, I think anything is possible in crypto. I hope it happens. I hope it happens. I want advice, my friend. I never put money in crypto, but I'm starting a little some months ago. My question is, if I have 250 euros, is better to put 1 coin or 3 coins? Listen, if you have that kind of budget, it's very hard for me to say because, listen, usually if I'm telling people like to trade, let's say in a traditional sense, let's say that you're doing futures. If you're doing futures or something like that, you wouldn't put more than 1% of your budget into one trade, okay? And if you're holding something for like the long term and you have projects that are solid layer ones like Solana, you have Sui, you have Kaspa, and you tell me I'm just going to buy one project, I'm not going to be opposed to that, okay? Let's say that you have 250 euros, you're bullish on the Sui ecosystem, you buy 250 euros of Sui. I don't have anything wrong with that. I don't have any problem with that, especially with such a low budget. However, if you say that you want to play with meme coins, even if you have that low budget, I would tell you never go all in one thing, because obviously you can invest 250 euros in a meme and it rugs and you lost all your money. So in that case, put a very tiny fraction and manage your risks responsibly, okay? Invest a tiny fraction here, tiny fraction there, and you can play around with trade. There's a very big difference between trading and investing, okay? So if you want to invest into memes, small allocations, even if you have that small of a budget, it's all about percentages, okay? Because you want to manage your risk, okay? If you're saying, I just want to buy SUI and I don't want to play around with swing trades, I don't want to play around with memes, then buy SUI. I don't think there's any problem with that. That's what I would do. Imagine if Turbo goes to 30 cents because it has less supply than VeChain. Bro, that is such a dumb comment. I'm sorry. Like, I don't mean to be disrespectful for you, but the supply of a token doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean anything. It means what the market cap is and what multiplier can you make out of that investment. The fact that a project has 1 billion of supply and another project has 10 million doesn't make a project more scarce. No, it doesn't. In my opinion, Turbo... I mean, I love Turbo. Don't get me wrong. The emoji meta... You're right, though. The emoji meta could be popping. I saw the Andrew Tate one. Have you guys seen the Andrew Tate emoji token? I've seen that. I will send you $50. Can you 10x it for me? No, I cannot, because I'm not a financial advisor. I don't handle the budget of people. But I would say that you can join my Telegram group. Or if you have budget, if you want to make more money even, join my Discord and then you can follow some of the trades. Thoughts on Baby Pepe? To be honest, there's so many Baby Peppers that you're going to have to give me the CA, because I'm probably going to go to a duplicate. Sui Llama. That is a good pick. I saw this the other day. I didn't buy it, but some people told me that it's the same dev from Solama. Do you guys remember Solama? It was back in the last winter. A lot of people were shielding Solana in my live streams. I wasn't even invested into meme coins back then. Yeah, it looks ready to send, to be honest. I'm not sure if it's the same dev though. Is it though? I mean, the website is quite mid. It's pretty shit. I don't know. I'll research it. Fractal Bitcoin? What do you mean? Do you remember Cipro before meme coins? Such a difference. I'm glad. I'm glad that you say that you're glad, because a lot of people are triggered that I deal a lot with meme coins these days. And I think that it's all people that are just not making money, you know, or they are jealous that I'm making money, are jealous that I'm making money, they're jealous that my community is making money, so that's probably why they're butthurt about it. Because, I mean, if you're upset that I'm making meme coin videos, just don't watch them. I mean, that is what I would tell you, you know. But I'm glad that you support here, and I'm glad that you're still here after all these months. I'm bullish. I'm forever grateful for all of you guys that have been supporting my channel for so long, honestly. Cipro always at the top. Like, comments like this make my day. Thank you so much, man. Where to buy Swish? I made a video tutorial on how to buy Sui meme coin, so I would invite you to check that out on my channel. Let's see if I can find the video real quick. Yeah, it's this one. How to trade 100x meme coins on Sui. In this video, I show how to buy Sui meme coins. Watch that because it got all the nuances. But if you want that summary in a nutshell, you need to get a hot wallet, kind of like a MetaMask of Sui. I do recommend Sweet. So many people, they told me that it's not Swiet, but it's Sweet. So it's called Sweet. It's S-U-I-E-T. Sweet. Okay, cool. And then you're going to have to use a decentralized exchange like Turbo, it's called Turbo Move, whatever the fuck it's called, Turbo something, or Blue Move. Blue Move is the one that I'm using for the majority of my trades. There's different decentralized exchanges. There's also Cetus. There's so many of them. The memes of Swish are normal. I don't think that you watch the videos. Watch the videos and then tell me about it. What do you think about Yumi? Same dev of Fog. Yumi. I have no idea what this is. There's so many memes, guys. I mean, 3 million? But what's the chart looking like? Bullish chart. Kind of looks like the one of... I mean, I wanted to say the one of Scoot, but only if you zoom in. Otherwise, kind of start from nothing. What the hell? Some people did like 100x out of this. It looks like it's breaking out from like the wedge. Kinda. Yeah, so it's kind of breaking out here, so it could just skyrocket unless it comes back in range. So when you see something like this, okay, I'm also gonna give you some alpha on these things. When you see a wedge like this, only buy if we are at the bottom of the wedge, okay? So let's say that it's like this, right? Only buy when they touch the bottom portion, okay? Because if you buy at the top, let's say that this was a fake out. Okay, let's say that this is a fake out. Let's say that it goes back in range. Then it does this behavior again. So obviously you want to buy on this descending line. You don't want to buy at the top because otherwise you're buying when the chart is still looking overbought. Okay, so this is not a good entry in my opinion. The volume is decent. Okay, so it's part of like the same meta. I think it's got potential. Very simple. If the dev is based, I don't remember what the market cap of Fog is. Yeah, it's pretty big. 189 million. Yeah, it has potential, but it's too overbought right now. And also another metric that I use, if you guys are happen to give a fuck, is the RSI, Relative Strength Index. Here you can see if a chart is overbought or oversold. So obviously anything that is above this line is severely oversold, and here severely over... sorry, I wanted to say the opposite. So here is overbought and here is oversold. So if it's overbought, you want to sell because you do the opposite of what people are doing. So you make money. Yeah, I know. Shocking news. Shocking news, I know. Anyways, not a good entry. Hoppy and Fefe. You'll be surprised that I have a video on Fefe that is going to release in the next couple of days. It's finally coming, guys. Check it out. And Hoppy, very bullish on Hoppy as well. Anything of the boys club. But listen, Hoppy, Fefe, arguably, I don't think Fefe has fulfilled his full potential at all. But Hoppy has already pumped a lot. So, my recommendation, Groggo. Groggo, I'm gonna put it on the list. Congrats on the new entry. Congrats, Groggo. Groggo makes it here in the good stuff. Okay, Groggo will absolutely fly. So find the new things. Look at Groggo, 1.9 million. Okay, look at the new things because Hoppy has pumped a lot, but Hoppy at some point was as big as Groggo was. Okay. So this is why I'm telling you to buy these projects. I mean, I'm not really telling you to buy. I'm telling you that I like them, and I buy them. AGI versus AI Tech, any moment. I mean, AGI is also a good project, but listen, AGI is also bigger market cap. So I get it. Like, if you really want to diversify your portfolio, I don't think it's a bad idea to have both. But AI Tech is just so much better. They just released the AI GPU marketplace. 117 million in market cap right now. It's just a no-brainer. The chart looks good. I mean, it's still bouncing back from the lows. In my opinion, another project that's going to get listed to all the tier 1 exchanges. I don't see why not. I think that they were really ready to list to Binance on something similar back then. But then they hesitated because the market just started going to shit. Like, pretty much. Like, excuse my French. But yeah, still a very good accumulation area. And I mean, if you bought AI Tech when I bought it and when my VIP group has bought it, you would have still gotten this at 1.5 cents. So you would still be almost at 10x from a buy alert. So imagine the amount of money that we're going to do at the peak of the bull market of this. Is going to be absolutely ridiculous. AGI, on the other hand, the team is not as good. So the team of AI Tech is fully doxed. The one of Delisium, sorta. Some of the market is still a bit shady. It's 50% higher in market cap. The chart, I don't want to say that it's better or worse. It depends on the perspectives. I just think that it's going to have a lot more traction. But I think that AGI is still a very good project. But if I was to choose one, okay, let's say that I choose one, I go for AI Tech every day. And it's not because I hold it. I hold it because I like it more and because I think it's a better project. I'm not saying that, oh, I hold it so it's better. It's not because of that. It's just the opposite. It's true. 8 is B rat good. I don't understand your question. Rido, can he bounce back? I don't think so. Too much stuff going on with Pavel Durov, with his incarceration, with his trial. I don't think we're going to see and also the price action has been very weak. I don't think it's going to bounce back, no. And I'm not bullish on the Ton ecosystem when it comes to memes anymore. I think that it was just a phase. I think that the change for memes to me, Ethereum, Solana, and Sui. Anything else, I'm not interested. This baby Pepe. Okay, I'll take a look, bro. And also, shout out to myself because I pronounce sweet correctly. I think it was you, Kimberly, that posted that comment. So you made me open my eyes. You changed my life forever. Very grateful. So don't make a fool of myself. I mean, it's pretty genius to consider that something like Baby Pepe would pump, given that Pepe is one of the biggest meme coins in existence, right? Holy! Look at this chart. Oh my God. Damn, I faded so hard at this. Somebody just bought 4 grand. Holy. Well, I don't think that you need to be an expert in crypto to understand that you shouldn't buy this chart. But obviously, to each his own. What the hell? It's still not that big, though. Like, it's only 11 million in market cap. Well, I gotta say that the people that bought here made 100x. Let it sink in for a minute. On a chart that it was like, it's such a beautiful chart. It's just a parable like this. So beautiful to look at. Wow, I'm feeling FOMO. Fotos nunca antes vistas. WASD flying. Is it? The username of this guy is a bit creepy. It means photos never seen before. In Spanish. It's a bit weird, man. I mean, it's kind of flying though, but it's kind of flying. I'll give you that. 4 or 5x. Yeah, it's looking good. I never really looked into it. It's only Uniswap. I think did it have sell taxes? I don't even remember, but on top of my head, but anyway, good for you if you have it. I don't think I'm touching that. You're doing an amazing job. Keep it up. Alex, means a lot. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. My pleasure, bro. Yeah, Baby Pepe, bullish, man. I didn't think that I would ever say that, but Baby Pepe, it's very bullish. Ponke will hit 20 billion. I don't think that Ponke will hit 20 billion, despite the fact that I'm so bullish on Ponke. But I really hope that it does, so I become an 8-figure millionaire. I would love that. I don't think it's gonna happen with Ponke, but anyway. 20 billion, what would I have to do? 100x? Ah, come on, bro. Okay, so Daniel is telling me he's asking me if I'm on the best culture coin in the game, XD. Apparently, XD is the best culture. What is this? What kind of projects am I looking at today? 16 million. What the hell is this? Warped.
Stupid.
Damn the coach. Oh my god. Don't. I don't want to see this shit. Anyway. The cabal really got you, man. Oh my god. What the hell? I'm surprised though. That's crazy. How did this project... I mean, it's all the cabal. The cabal. Did the cabal decide that you make money? Kinda, man. Shit's crazy though. Oh my god, there's so many comments, guys. Trying to read everything. Check out Nacho. I don't even know how to check out Nacho, bro. They don't have Casp on that screener. Like, where do I even see the chart? Also, people barely care about Casp. I doubt that people really care about meme coins on Casp. And I don't even know if they're going to be a thing, to be honest. I would much rather check projects that are still on Solana or Sui. That's just me. What about PAL? PAL AI? It's still gonna pump, man. It's still gonna pump. But I don't know. I think Alex Becker is really investing into that. So everything that is like around this sphere, they're still gonna pump a lot. Dog Bitcoin, Memecoin, ¿qué opinas? Dog Bitcoin. Bro, I'm not sure what project that is, man. Like, you mean Bitcoin? Like the ticker Bitcoin? Like that meme coin? Give me the CA. I'm not sure what you mean, man. What coin do you think gonna pump? Scoot or Swish? I mean, they're very different projects, bro. Like, Scoot is a project on Solana. It's just launched yesterday, so there's still a lot of volatility. Swish has been around for a couple of weeks already. And it's on Sui. So, I don't know. I have a small allocation into both projects. I mean, the one on Scoot is not small because, I mean, I have 10 million tokens. So, it's not a small allocation by any means. But the Swish, I have a small allocation. But we're going to see about that. I'm bullish on both. I'm bullish on both. How about Groggo? I just talked about Groggo. Did you just join the live stream? I just shield Groggo like crazy, my friend. The other day on a video I was watching a coin. WAP, yeah, I've seen that. Autism, my highest conviction, currently up 20K from $500, that's 20x. Damn, bro, well done to you. I might have seen this. Oh my god, I can type. No, I don't think I've seen it. 10 million? Wow. Holy shit. Look at it. It's like the shard of Baby Pepe, more or less. It's pretty crazy, dude. Let's take a look. For the culture. For the culture.
What?
Oh my God, bro. 100%, I would have 100% bought this. Oh, I love. Oh, this is beautiful, bro. I would have 100% bought this. It's hilarious. Fucking hilarious. This is hilarious. 100%. I would have bought this for the culture. Why didn't you shield this back in the day in my live stream? I would have bought it. No way this launch on Pump Fun. No way. No way. Wow. Imagine getting this like below 50K market cap and now it's 10 million. Wow. That's crazy, dude. Well played, bro. Well played to you. Yeah, Groggo is a very good meme. I've called Groggo at 750K market cap, 700K, something like that. We went up to run a 4X, and it's shooting for the stars. So, yeah, Victor did a 20X in autism. I think that we can do more than a 20X on Groggo from my entry of 700K, for sure. Launch in August, yeah. Bro, I know that you will love this one. It's fucking crazy. I can't believe this is a thing. This is one of the best websites I've ever seen. Maybe I say that because I'm autistic. Oh my God. I don't think that I can make this live stream any better value after reviewing this project, so I think I'm gonna quit the live stream. I'm joking. Or maybe not. But I thank you so much for watching this live stream, guys. And there's going to be a lot of stuff cooking. So before ending the live stream, I want to say that. I have a massive partnership with an exchange that I'm going to reveal very soon. As I've already announced, there's going to be copy trading. There's going to be a lot of stuff going on there. I'm going to reveal soon. There's going to be another extra perk that you're going to get access to there. I'm going to reveal in due time, so don't worry. And on top of that, obviously, there's going to be new early CAs that are going to drop probably next week, or if not, the one after, in my VIP group on Discord. So if you want to print, then that is it. Because obviously, as I was mentioning before, you missed, if you're not on my VIP group, you missed this code yesterday. El Dorito. El Dorito. Fucking hell. My new favorite project. I'm not, honestly... Jesus, look at that. It went to 10 million. Went to 10 million. 10 million. Don't do copy trading, everything physical. If you think that copy trading just means copying what somebody's doing, okay? So if you follow a scammer, you're gonna get scammed. But if you follow someone that is legit, and by the way, it's not gonna be with my wallet, but it's gonna be with people that are from my team and from the team of the exchange that I'm gonna partner with. So, obviously, if you do copy trading of a scam wallet, you get scammed because you're copying a scam. But if you copy something that is legit, and that guy made 10% up of his portfolio in that day, then your portfolio is 10% up. So it's basically just copying what the trade is going, okay? And I know some traders here that I'm gonna collaborate with that have 100% hit rate on futures, okay? So that is basically what I'm doing. It's basically just copying people that are there, okay? And I'm going to explain everything in due time, but don't worry, it's not a scam. Otherwise, I wouldn't promote it, okay? If it was a scam, don't worry. I'm not going to tell you about that because I only bring something that is legit, obviously, because I want to help you print freaking money. Okay, I thank you so much. That was a good live stream, and to you very soon. Bye-bye.